guys, it's very early in the morning. Ito kami sa Saitama, Sengendai, Saitama City. Late na kami, sa totoo lang. Sandro, say hi, good morning everybody. Ayaw, hindi maaga eh, wala pa sa ano eh, hinagap. Pupunta kami ng Kahone. Is that right? Ano ba? Kahone. Lagi na lang nababaliktad yung mga words ko. Ano meron sa Kahone? Ang lamig? Oh no, nakikita ng viewers that Sandro is very cold. It's extra cold today actually compared to yesterday. Yesterday was very tolerable. Very baggy yung feels. 19, 20, right? So kumbaga, kung ikaw ay makapal talaga ang balat, kaya mong t-shirtan. Kahapon naka-ano lang ako, isang hoodie, isang t-shirt, that's it. At si Sandro naka t-shirt saka naka heat tech lang on some parts. Pinapawisan pa. Ngayon it's what? 13? 13, 12, ganun. So oh my gosh, 8 or 9 daw sa pupuntahan namin. So not really sure if we're prepared for that. Anyway, we're going to Mount Fuji actually. Yan. So short of saying, no, we're trying to chase for the first trip, but however, Sandro had different plans. We'll see you in Kahone. Hakone? Hakone? Oh, shucks. Shoutout nga pala kay Peng. Good morning sir. Nauna na kami. At Ma'am Karen, nauna na kami muna. Balik na kami later. We'll see you. The first trip. We were supposed to be on that train. It's okay though. We'll catch the next one. What's that? Pringles. Honey. Alright, so coffee para sa malamig na panahon. We got this from the vending machine by the way, and it comes out hot. Nandito kami ngayon sa, actually hindi ko alam kung nasan kami. Hindi, pero ito nandito kami sa Ogaku Sightseeing Service Center. So I think we may be in Shinjuku. Oh yeah, no, I think we're in Shinjuku. We're getting our romance car passes para mapunta dun sa Mount Fuji line. What is that?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. Where did you get that?
Nung binigay mo din ako ng toy capsule.
Okay, that's Tomica, right? Romance car.
Morning.
Wala akong shades guys, naiiwan ko. Ay! Matulog na pala tong baby. Simula umalis kami, lahat ng train tinulugan mo boss ha. Ay pagtulog na yun, tumataas yung kamay na yun, pagtulog na talaga yun. Tulog na tulog yan eh, pag nakataas yung kamay. Pag bumaba yan, ibig sabihin gising na yan. Pag bumaba yan, ibig sabihin gising na. Ang taas o, ibig sabihin yan tulog na. Tulog na tulog, mama. Elang romance car. So we only bought 2 tickets. Tapos ayan, dito na lang siya sa lap namin si Sandro. Again, this is going to Hakone. We are going to Mount Fuji. Hakone.
See you later guys. Ito ba ganyan video?
See you later. We have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hakone. Kanina pag ganun, tapos mo pag ganun. So pataas daw kasi kaya hindi kaya ng train na dire-diretsong paakyat. So nag-switch naman ng side na yung slope sa kabila. Ang lamig. Ang lamig.
Nanigas na. Hindi na gumalaw.
Sobrang windy. Sulfur coming out of the lake. Yes sir, yes sir. Kailangan ko ng shades, ladies and gentlemen, dahil nasisilaw na ako talaga. What do you see, Nak? What do you see? Hanap din. Black egg, pampahaba ng buhay.
Init.
Init pa? Ilang years dagdag niya?
7 lang.
Sa?
Ay,
Huwag kang lalapit. Init siya. Queen Ashinoko. Mamamarko muna kami, guys. Mamamarko muna kami. Mamamarko muna kami. At medyo masyado nang malamig sa... Yep. Are you sleeping? Parang no naman. so much. Thank you. Basta guys. So, nito kami sa Odawara Station. So, sa mga mall dito sa Odawara Station actually. And yeah, it was crazy. After namin mag-cruise, a lot of things happened already. Hindi kami nakapag-cable car pabalik. Tsaka yung maliit nga na cable car, hindi na rin namin nagawa. Tsaka yung chain. We just took the bus kasi last trip na pala yung cruise na yun. Going to, forgot, Motokakone. Which this GoPro was left. Yeah, nag-bus lang na lang kami and ito, kakababa lang namin. And yun, time to recover and kakain na muna kami. Crazy, buti na lang nahanap talaga and naisole. Thank you so much, Japan.